This video reviews some of the features and benefits of our water treatment systems. Water softeners only have a single filter in them made up of ion exchange resin. Water softeners are designed to remove calcium and magnesium from the water. They're also able to remove a small amount of iron and manganese, however over time iron can oversaturate the filter and cause damage. Water softeners are unable to remove the remaining heavy metals and chemicals from the water. You should expect about 40% protection for your home compared to a water conditioner. Water softeners require salt. As less dissolved material is in the water, you should be able to reduce your soap usage each year by around 70%. As water softeners cannot remove the strong disinfectant chemicals from the water, these chemicals would continue to dry out skin and hair, as well as fade and damage washed clothing.